All right, everybody, welcome back. This is our daily watch list for Thursday, January 11th. I put these watch lists out for you guys for free every single day. Make sure you're subscribed down below. In this edition, I've curated a list, a selection of stocks. They each hold the promise of breakout potential. I'm showing you support levels. I'm showing you where to take the trade, where to get out of the trade. And these are strategic insights that can amplify your trading decisions. Before we get into it, I want to make sure you hit that like button, you hit that subscribe button, and let's explore the market together. You hit that bell. The bell will let you know when I send these videos out. This one's coming out a lot later than normal. I apologize for that. But let's get started on this list. I'm going to make it snappy. This is not going to be a long video. This is TradingView. There's a link down below. That link gets you a free 30-day trial to TradingView and up to $30 off of your subscription. So take advantage of that free offer. Let's look at BAC. BAC, okay, we had this 2 down and it finished green. So that tells me there were sellers in this. The buyers brought it back and they leave us with a hammer candle. So a hammer candle is one of the 3 actionable signals that we talk about with this strategy. And a hammer candle is a very bullish pattern. So it's exactly this. It looks like a hammer. We have this body with this long wick or long shadow to the bottom. This wick needs to be at least 3 times what this is. So we're pretty close to that. Hammer candle, we're going to look for triggers at 33.63. First target's at 33.84. If you need more help with this, this channel is full of learning tool videos for you guys, full of playlists for you guys to learn this strategy. And if you want even more than that, join my Discord. It is free. There is a paid portion that includes a 1-hour strat course, one-on-one time with me, live trading bots, the indicator that I created for you guys, etc., etc. Let's move on to Wells Fargo. Same thing, 2 down green hammer candle. So we're going to look for those calls at 49.12. And our triggers just go to the high of the preceding wick. So that are our targets. So the first target would be here. Next target would be right there. We look at Goldman Sachs. Not quite a hammer candle, but we have that 2 down that finished green. And a 2 candle only breaks one side or the other of the previous candle. So this candle only broke the low. We called it a 2 down, but then we talked about it finishing green. We're looking for it to trend back to the upside. AMD, exact opposite of what we're talking about. This is a 2 up. We only broke the high of the preceding candle. The sellers brought it back. We're going to look for this to trend back to the downside. We look at Alibaba. So inside bars, haven't talked about these yet. Inside bars or 1 bars. You notice they're painted yellow. That's part of my indicator. This blue line to show the double inside bar, part of my indicator. This gold highlight showing the outside bar, inside bar, part of my indicator, as is this time frame continuity and the 50% rules, which you can see here with the purple and the blue. This is the daily. I believe the purple is the weekly. I also have a monthly 50% indicator on there. So when we talk about the inside bars, if you're struggling, if you're new, this is what you should be looking at. You can take the break of either side of this inside bar. And when you see these yellow bars, when you have my indicator, that should tell you that that bar is acting like a spring, getting compressed, compacted, and loaded. And when you remove that load, that pressure, we expect a big move. Just like we did here off of this inside bar, we had a big run to the downside. This inside bar, we had a run to the upside. And it's all based off of probability. So it doesn't work every time. This one, run to the downside. This one, we trended up and came back down. Didn't work. But the majority of the time, probability tells us, yes, off of these inside bars, we get a run. Inside bars, we get a run. Inside bar, we get a run, okay? That's what we look for off of those inside bars. And every trade, every strategy, everything we look at in the market, whether you're looking at this strategy or something else, it's all based off of probability because we don't know what the next candlestick is going to be right here. So we look at the past, we look at history, we look at what candlesticks have done previously, and that is what gives us our indicators. DocuSign, there's another double inside bar. So if we just go back, these don't happen very often, but if we go back and find the last time we had a double inside bar, we have to go back far in time. There it is. But we had this big run. Okay, that's the kind of stuff that we are looking for on this. Let's get rid of these. That's what we're looking for. If we go back to here, we are looking off of these double inside bars for a break to the high or low of this inside bar. EW, another inside bar. So again, you just have to go back and look in time, guys. This inside bar, we had a huge run to the upside off of EW. We're looking for the same thing here. Whether it goes up or down, I don't know. We've already, if I go to the weekly, that's what those pink lines are telling me, and that is an old a weekly indicator. So I'm going to delete those so we aren't confused by them and go back to the daily. So we are still sitting inside bar on the week. That's what that yellow circle tells me, as well as on the month. And this day is also yellow, so it tells me we are inside on the day. We're looking for a break of either side of that. Starbucks, inside bar on Starbucks. So again, calls at 93.69, puts at 92.88. The top 5 from these setups go to the Griswold Gold members. That membership is $50. It is one of the cheaper memberships you will find. You get the top 5s. You get live trading bots. You get the strat indicator that I've created. You get the 1-hour course. You get one-on-one time with me. There's a ton of stuff packed in there for just $50. That link is in the description below as well. JP Morgan, 2 down green. This is a 1-2-2 rev strat. So we're going to look for it to hit this second target, but we do have this first target that we would like to achieve first and foremost. IWM, there's my hammer candle. We're going to look for calls back to the upside, and that gets marked as your target. High of the preceding, whoops, what do we do there? High of the preceding wick. There we go. Oracle, 2 down green. We're going to look for that to trend back up. 1-2-2 rev strat. Calls at 104.07 is our trigger. Pinterest, 2 up red. That's the shooter candle. So the 3 actionable signals, we've had them all. The hammer candle, the inside bar, and now the shooter candle, which is the inverse of the hammer candle. Body at the bottom, wick to the top. It's a bearish pattern. We're going to look for this to trend down. Triggers at 37.67. First target at 37.39. PayPal, inside bar there, so we can look for the calls at 61.43, puts at 60.29. QCOM, inside bar, hammer candle. I would tell you this. If this was green, it's not, it's red. But if it was green, that would give me higher probability that we are going to trend up. Okay? Every time we have something that changes the outlook, such as it being red, gives us a little less probability that we are going to trend up. Has a potential to trend down regardless, a little more because it's red. Okay, XLV, there's the inside bar. Calls at 141.14, puts at 139.88, and that is the list, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you get some really great plays off of these setups that I've given you today. I put these out for free every single day. I do weekly swings, monthly swings, quarterly swings for you guys. We talk about this stuff in the Discord, in the private room, in the regular rooms. So get in there. It is free to join. I'm on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold, so you can join me and ask questions there, as well as below on this video. Thank you for watching. Good luck trading Thursday, guys. I wish you nothing but the best, and we will see you all on the next one. Bye-bye.